Hey Jake, how was your weekend?
Hey, Mia, it was great. The party on Saturday was so much fun. Did you have a good time?
Yes, I had an amazing time. What was your favorite part of the party?
I think the music and dancing were my favorite. The DJ played some great songs. What about you?
I loved the food and drinks. There were so many good snacks and the cocktails were delicious.
Oh yeah, the food was really good. I had some sliders, nachos, and chicken wings. What did you eat?
I had mini tacos, chips with guacamole, and some chocolate cake for dessert.
That cake was amazing. Did you have a drink?
Yeah, I had a mojito and later a margarita. What about you?
I had a couple of beers and then tried a whiskey sour. It was really good.
Nice. Did you dance at the party?
Yeah. At first, I was just watching, but later I joined in. Did you dance?
Of course. I love dancing. The music was so good I couldn't stop.
The party ended really late, right?
Yes, I left at 2:30 a.m. What time did you leave?
I stayed until 3 a.m. It was hard to leave because we were having so much fun.
I know. And the next morning I was so tired. Did you wake up with a hangover?
A little bit. I had a headache, but after drinking water and having coffee, I felt better. What about you?
Yes, same. I wasn't feeling great in the morning, but I recovered after breakfast.
Did you see anyone you knew at the party?
Yes, to some old college friends. I hadn't seen them in years. Did you meet anyone new?
Yeah, I met David's cousin. He was really cool and we talked about sports for a while.
That's awesome. By the way, what did you wear to the party?
I wore black jeans and a blue dress shirt. I wanted to look nice but also feel comfortable. What about you?
I wore a red dress that I bought last month. I was thinking of getting something new, but I decided to wear what I already had.
You looked great. Did you wear heels or flats?
I wore heels, but by the end of the night, my feet were killing me.
I can imagine. Did you drive to the party or did you take a taxi?
I took an Uber. I didn't want to worry about parking. How did you get there?
I drove because I wasn't planning to drink too much, but I left my car at my friend's house and took a cab home.
That was smart. Did you arrive early or late?
I got there around 9:30 p.m., so a little late. What about you?
I arrived on time at 9 p.m., but most people arrived later.
Yeah, parties usually start slow, but then they get better.
Totally. I can't wait for the next one.
Same here. Next time, let's plan to go together.
Yes, that would be fun.